Here we are at Contra Costa Powersports, and today we have our 2021 CForce 600 Touring Quad 4x4 2-passenger automatic transmission, power steering, winch up front. This thing is really awesome. Only 543 miles on the odometer. Beautiful metallic blue. It's got those gorgeous alloy rims, four-wheel independent suspension, automatic transmission, and best of all, you can take your passenger on the back. Come on by, make your two-person quad dreams come true with this gorgeous 21 CFMoto, only $74.99. This thing is not going to be here long. We have finance, we have extended warranties. Check us out on the web, www.contracostaps.com, where any given time we have 30 to 40 beautiful, clean, used bikes in stock. Thank you from Contra Costa Powersports.